pandemic has the second wave, and we are at home, but hosting again the FAS talks with FAS members. Today, my guest is the CEO of affiliate member of FAS, TSETMC, which is Tehran Stock Exchange Technology Management Company. And with Mr. Roohallah Dehghan, we will speak about the technology, about how they are managing their work during pandemic. And welcome, Mr. Dehghan, to the FAS series. Thanks for joining me.
Hi, thank you, Armanui. Nice to see you here, and I'm very glad to speak with you.
Thank you. Just a very short introduction of the Iranian capital markets in general and of your company. So in Iranian capital market, one company, yours, the technology management company, is responsible for technology things, for trading system, for data vendoring, so for everything. And the website of TSETMC is one of the most visited one, because so in your country, the financial literacy is very high, and every individual is using your services for trading and for getting the information. And also for all our people who are watching this, just to mention that all the stock exchanges in Iran are using the technology of TSETMC. And this is a unique model that Iran is using now. So, Mr. Dehghan, will you please tell us, during 2020, during this pandemic thing, the Iranian capital market grew fast, and you had, when I was watching following these trade volumes, they are growing very fast. So how you manage this? How did your company handle this amount of trades?
Thanks you for your introduction. As you said, in the 2020, Iranian capital markets grows very fast. From the starting of the year, we had around 5 million investors in our database. Now we have more than 20 million investor, 20 million investor, and the number of trades from at the start of 2020, it's around 100 or 200 per day, 100,000 per day, and at the top point, we had more than 3 million trade per day. And it shows that the Iranian people comes to capital market and interest to invest on this market, and this kind of coming to the capital market put the pressure on our systems. And due to the cruel sanction, we cannot update our system. We have a old system from Euronext, and around 10 years ago we buy it. And in these conditions, we have two big problems. One of them is pandemic that limit our work, and another one is the pressure on the systems. So we start with our engineer, with our colleagues, to develop the trading engine and improve the capability of the systems. And we were success, and in this way. And nowadays the trading engine is working very fast, and we developed the bottleneck of the systems and rewrite all the programs. And now we are ready to support this amount of trading in Iran. But we put so pressure on our colleagues, and Iranian engineers can provide the new age of trading engine that can support this amount of trade. And in this way, it was one of our big issues in 2020, and we can pass this challenge. And now the condition is good. And as you said, in Iran, all the stock exchanges using our service, for the trading and also post trading. CSDI post trading system is also is using and operating by our company, and the business of post trading is related to CSDI, but the technical part is doing here, and Iran Faraburs, Iran Mercantile Exchange, and also Tehran Stock Exchange is using our platform. Iran Mercantile Exchange, the part of the trading is here. Part of the other trading, mercantile, is related to themselves, not us, but the other three exchange in Iran is fully depends on our systems.
So you have built your own trading system because of the difficulties of having an updated one. Am I right?
Yes, as I want to explain, it is not, I cannot say it is fully developed by own, but we developed a module that can support more capabilities.
Okay, so this made some big issues for you in the beginning of the year, and you overcame. And what is the most challenging issue was for your company, and how you are handling this?
As I said, the most challenging issue was pandemic. Beside the pressure, when you put these two with each others, it makes a big issue, and especially because we cannot work from the home, and daily we have to operate the systems and come to the work, and we face with the pandemic, and also we have to keep our employees safe, and so we try to do both of them with each others, and this was one of the biggest issue here we face in TSETMC, and we can pass it by keeping the people safe, uh, provide more facilities for them, and these things we try to keep our people, and until now we have the good conditions. Pandemic not happens in our company, or happens very little. We The percentage of the infection in our company is less than the other companies in capital market.
So good, you managed your working procedures.
Yes.
This is good and really important for technology company to be resilient during these times. So this is all about 2020. What are the goals of the next year for you?
We have the big goals for 2021, and we try to develop the company more and more, because if we want to have developed uh, capital market in Iran, one of the main infrastructure is TSETMC. If we can develop the TSETMC, we will be success in developing the capital market. And we try to establish our in-house developed trading engine, and because we are working on a project the current year, and we will continue it in the next year. But we know this is the big project, and we need time to be success in this way. And another one is developing the post trading system also beside the trading, and we have some engineer which is working with the post trade system. It's another project for 2021, and we want to provide the data center for infrastructure in capital market, because we don't have a specific data center which is related to the capital market, and TSETMC is the best company to establish there. And we wish at the maybe the first quarter of the 2021, we can establish our data center to host all the capital market companies in Iran.
So this is good. You will have a big technological change year next year, and
Yes.
good luck with this. So having this changed world and facing with these several challenges, and you as a central hub of the Iranian capital markets technology part, how you are managing to be positive, and how you are managing this communication between your partners and members?
Mhm. As you mentioned, TSETMC is a company which is serving B2B services, business to business. We have the limited members. The stock exchange in Iran and brokerage firm in Iran is our members, and we try to use the technology, because we are a technology company. Use the technology for make some facilities for them, and make a meeting on the web, not going outside, because because in this way we success to keep our employees safe, and keep them, because the main rules in our company is related to the people. Talented people needed here, and we invest on the people in our company. So missing one of them is very hard for us, because we have the main pressure. So we try to do that. But another issue for us is keeping the employees happy and satisfied. And all the people have the family in this pandemic, maybe affected the family by the COVID-19. And in this way, we had a very hard situation. We try to make them safer, give this thing to the people that you are important for us, and we try to keep you safe, and make a better and happier condition at the work, at the company for working. And in this way, we try to face with this issue.
Great. Yeah, during a pandemic, employees are equally important, like than with the customers. So this is good that all the companies are treating their employers to keep them safe, and to be a guarantee of their safety. So, and my very last question, from the technology company view and from your personal view, what the world will look like after the COVID pandemic, and what other challenges we will face in the future?
I think personally, I think after removing COVID-19, we face with a new kind of life. And I think this year learned us that all the people in the world is important. We cannot tolerate the maybe the other people's poor peoples and this thing, that, and we have to pay attention to them. We cannot living without them. And in the technology part, I think after this pandemic, I think all the people will use more technology and try to keep the world safer, especially less greenhouse gases will be important for all the people. And I hope this year learned us that we have to face with each other more kind, and all the people is important.
Thank you very much, the CEO of TSETMC, Mr. Roohallah Dehghan. Thank you.
Thank you, Armanoy. Thank you for your talk, and I hope all the best for all the people in the world.
Thanks.
Thank you.